Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm in the studio with Mr. Motevi, my husband, the only and the only my husband. So you're going to listen to the questions we have for you guys. At least I want you to learn one to two things. Okay, my love.
Hello.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
What came into your mind the first time you saw me on Tinder?
On Tinder, the first thing I saw that you had a list of requirements there that you should be non-smoker, don't have status and a lot of things. But at first I thought this is a bit off-putting, but then I realized, you're looking for a family, you're looking for a husband, so I accepted that. And so the second thing I say, you were very beautiful and I wanted to meet you. That was my first impression of your Tinder profile.
Okay, and then to me, actually, when I clicked into him or he clicked into me, vice versa. So, and I realized because when he sent me a message, the first message was really good, and I was like, anyway, let me just look into his profile. I looked, but the guy was really small. I'm like, this guy, I don't know, but it turned up that he's a good guy and he was nice
And not
looking.
small.
Yeah, and he was not small like the way. Because at first we were putting on a stream suit, hiking suit.
Yeah.
So I was like, and it was really too tight on him. And I was like, maybe this guy is too small for me. And I'm like, oh, okay. Okay, the second question is, when we met at our first date, what were you thinking about me before and after?
I was happy to meet you. It was not that easy at this time. The first thing I recognized when we hugged at the beginning is that you're very small. I could feel your bones. I was a little bit scared at the beginning, but it was fine. The date itself went well. We walked, we had a good time. We talked for a few hours. I felt really good all the time, and also when I came home, I thought, I definitely want to see you again.
Okay, according to me, when we met, I told him, can we hug? Because I wanted to feel him whether he's really small, like the way I saw him in the photos, and we hugged. After hugging him, at least first of all, I wanted to see whether he has at least meat. And secondly, I wanted at least to see his height. So I realized he's a good guy, and the body is like he has 6 packs, and I'm like, yeah, I'm on the right track. So I wanted to see him again.
But you didn't see my belly, so
I didn't see your belly.
you didn't know.
But I could feel you. I'm like, yeah. Okay, for today, that's all. Please share, like, and comment any question you want us to answer.
Thank you.
You can say hello.
Thank you. Goodbye.